Hey guys, welcome to the lecture. In this one I'm going to be teaching you about finding fonts on the internet and how to download them and import them into your PC and find them on Photoshop so you can use them on new projects instead of just using the default fonts that come with your computer and the software. Okay, so the first step that we're going to want to take is we're going to want to go on these websites. I have two up here that I like, 1001fonts.com and dafont.com. These are great for finding all kinds of new fonts in all kinds of different categories. You can download them. Some are free for personal use, which are not free for commercial use. Some are 100% free on Dafont, and same for 1001 fonts. This is something that you just need to be careful about when you're working on a project. If you're doing it for a client or something, you're gonna want to pay attention to if the font's free or not. I'll show you here how you can find fonts that are free for commercial use. So you just want to click on font categories and fonts that are free for commercial use right here. 1001 is great. There's all kinds of different categories: handwriting, modern, holidays, size, weight, decade, style. Lots to choose from here. So these are all free for commercial use. You can see here with the green tag. So there's all kinds of awesome fonts for your projects. So I'm just gonna pick one here. I'm gonna try this Spider-Man font here. So I'm gonna click download, and it'll be in a zip file, so you want to just show in your download file and extract. Right, so a font file is going to be a couple different ones. There's OTF, TTF, PBF, and PFM. All are like font types. This is a TTF here. So on Windows, you're just going to want to click search and just search font. Go into your font settings, and you'll get this dialog box that pops up. Add fonts, drag and drop to install. Drag font files from File Explorer or your desktop and drop them here to install on your device. So you want to do this first. You're going to want to take that file you just downloaded and drag it in there. So now we see we have our new font here. Over the Horizon Comes. Right. Now we want to go into Photoshop, and we just want to restart everything. And once we restart, all of our fonts are going to be in there. We can check right now. It usually does want you to restart, but on mine, we can see here that is popped up already. If yours doesn't pop up, you will need to restart your Photoshop software. But now we can see we have this brand new awesome font, and we can just use it however we like. We can use all these character panels and start adjusting things how we want. Like I showed you in a previous video, how to start adjusting your different fonts and stuff. So yeah, just play with it. Well, that's it for importing new fonts on Photoshop, and I'll see you in the next lecture.